Hey, I'm Ernest with UpFix, and today I want to talk about the Ford Excursion and Super Duty F-Series trucks, F250 all the way up to F550 from 2002 to 2007. And here today we're going to be talking about the Vehicle Security Module, otherwise known as the VSM. Now, is your Ford truck refusing to start, or are you having trouble with your keyless entry system? Maybe the keyless entry keypad on the driver's side door isn't responding. If any of this sounds familiar, it could be an issue with your VSM. In today's video, we're going to dive into what the VSM is, how it works, and what you can do if it starts to fail. The Ford VSM, the Vehicle Security Module, is a key part of the vehicle security system. It's responsible for controlling and managing various functions related to the vehicle security, including the operation of the keyless entry system, ignition system, anti-theft features, and even the keyless entry pad on the driver's side door. So here are some of the key functions of the VSM, immobilizer system. The VSM works alongside the ignition's key's transponder chip to prevent the engine from starting without the proper key, offering an extra layer of protection against theft. Keyless entry. The VSM manages the signals sent between the key fob and the vehicle to enable remote locking and unlocking and other related functions. Keyless entry keypad. The VSM also controls the keyless entry keypad located on the driver's side door, allowing you to lock and unlock the vehicle even without using a key fob. Anti-theft system. The VSM helps detect unauthorized attempts to start or access the vehicle and can even trigger an alarm or disable the engine if it detects a security breach. If there's an issue with the VSM, it could lead to problems such as failure to start, issues with the keyless entry system, problems with the keyless entry keypad, or affect other parts of the immobilizer system. If you're experiencing any of these issues, it might be time to have your VSM rebuilt. Before jumping to conclusions, here are a few things to check to troubleshoot your VSM. Inspect wiring and connections. Ensure there is no loose or damaged connections on the VSM plugs. Sometimes a simple connection issue can be the culprit. Check pins and connectors. Inspect the pins and connectors on the VSM for dirt, debris, or corrosion. These can block proper communication and cause your vehicle system to malfunction. No communication issue. So one of the most common failure points with the VSM units in these trucks is the no communication issue. If you're unable to connect to the VSM with a scan tool, this could be the root of your problem. It's one of the most frequently seen issues with these units. Here in front of me, I have one that is communicating with the scan tool and another one that has no communication. The first unit should display proper communication and vehicle system data on its diagnostic screen, while the second one shows an error saying no communication found with this module. Now, if you've done all the troubleshooting steps above I just mentioned, and your VSM still isn't communicating with your diagnostic scan tool, then there's a good chance the module itself needs to be repaired. Replacing your VSM can get expensive, especially if you're looking at a new unit, and that's even if it's available. Used VSMs can be cheaper, but they often come with their own risks that may have similar issues as your original unit or could fail prematurely. Plus, new or used VSMs often need to be programmed to match your vehicle's VIN and specific settings, which adds another layer of cost. Having your original VSM repaired is a smart choice. It's already programmed to your vehicle and is less likely to have the same failures as a replacement part. By refurbishing your VSM, save hundreds of dollars while ensuring that you're getting the most reliable repair. Not to mention, when you choose to repair your original part, it comes with a 1-year warranty. You can even opt for a 3 or a 5-year warranty for an extra peace of mind. Once we receive your VSM, our certified UpFix repair technicians first confirm that the VIN provided is valid and verify the issues you're experiencing with your unit. Once we've confirmed that, then we can address the problem. We typically repair your VSM within 3 to 5 business days. If you scanned your Ford Excursion or F-Series truck and are dealing with issues related to your VSM, head to our website upfix.com. There, you'll find the service repair page specifically for your vehicle's VSM. If the problems match what you're dealing with, carefully pack and mail your part to us. Our certified UpFix repair technicians will handle the repair process, keeping you up to date along each step of the repair process. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and thanks for watching.